What's the meaning of consultancy? Consultancy. Consultancy.
Consultancy. Consultancy. Consultancy refers to the practice of providing expert advice and guidance to an individual or organization in a particular field. The aim of consultancy is to identify problems, offer solutions, and provide guidance on best practices to achieve specific objectives. This is typically achieved through a combination of analysis, research, and communication with clients. Ultimately, the result of consultancy should be an improved understanding of the challenges facing the client, as well as the development of actionable strategies and plans to address them.